In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Copilot. Sign up with your Microsoft account. Microsoft Copilot ensures consistent configurations and policies across devices. We have a quick look here in what Autopilot could offer. Here, you can ask anything by typing instructions. Let's say, please write a report about Earth. In a few moments, Copilot will generate it. Here are the source pages. You can click it to check and verify the informations being generated. In this part are the similar topics that you can also check. You can also do quick actions like putting reaction, copy the text, export it with Word, PDF, or text format. Share it through link, send via email or other media platforms. You can also preview it through voice-generated AI.
Certainly. Here's a brief report about Earth. Earth, our home planet. Earth, the third planet from the Sun, is around 59 miles.
In Copilot,
6,000.
you can also generate image by giving it description of what image you would like to generate. After the image is generated, you can share, download, and customize also the image. Not only simple images, you can also generate logos. Copilot has also different GPTs that you can use and also plugins. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!